Do you ever dream about winning the lottery? What would you do with that money? Imagine quitting your job, booking a first-class trip around the world, buying your dream home, or donating to the causes you're passionate about. The possibilities are endless, right? But let's face it, winning the lottery feels like an impossible dream. The odds are so slim. Everyone knows that. Well, what if I told you there's a way to increase your chances of winning and actually manifest lottery wins using the law of attraction? I know it sounds far-fetched, but I've tried it. And believe it or not, it worked for me. Not just once, but several times. In today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can do the same. By the end, you'll have 6 powerful steps that will help you shift from playing the lottery just for fun to winning for real. These techniques have worked for me, and I promise they can work for you too. Hey, amazing people! Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited you're here because today we're diving into something incredibly powerful: how you can manifest lottery wins using the law of attraction. Now I know some of you might be skeptical, thinking, how can you possibly manifest winning the lottery? It's just luck. But stay with me because I've personally used these techniques to win big lottery prizes, and I'm talking life-changing amounts, not just $5 or a free ticket here and there. And here's the thing, manifesting lottery wins isn't just about luck. It's about aligning your energy with abundance and using the law of attraction to call those winnings into your life. So if you're ready to stop wasting money on random tickets and start manifesting real success, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into it. The first step in manifesting a lottery win is to get crystal clear on the exact amount you want to win. This is crucial. You can't just say, "I want to win the lottery," and leave it at that. The universe responds to specificity. Ask yourself, how much money do you actually want? $10,000? $50,000? Maybe a cool million? Whatever that number is, write it down. You need to be very specific. This clarity helps focus your energy and attention, which is key in manifesting. Once you've written down the amount, it's time to visualize it. Picture a check with your name on it, written out for that exact amount. Feel the check in your hands. What does it look like? What does it feel like? Imagine depositing that check into your bank account and watching your balance soar. Say this number out loud every day, when you wake up in the morning and before you go to bed. Make it your mantra. I am going to win $100,000. By repeating it consistently, you're programming your mind to believe this is already happening. Next, let's talk about the power of visualization. This is where the magic of manifestation really starts to happen. Visualizing your lottery win is about more than just imagining yourself holding a winning ticket. You need to immerse yourself in the full experience of winning. What does it look like when you walk into the lottery office to claim your prize? Who is with you? What are you wearing? Picture yourself confidently walking up to the counter, handing over the winning ticket, and receiving your check. Engage all your senses. See the bright lights of the lottery office. Feel the texture of the check in your hands. Hear the excited chatter around you. Smell the fresh ink on the paper, and sense the adrenaline rushing through your body as you realize your life is about to change. Now imagine depositing that check into your bank account. Picture the numbers on the screen as your balance grows. Visualize yourself using the money. Maybe you're buying your dream car, planning a vacation, or paying off debt. The key is to make your visualization as vivid and real as possible. Some people even like to create a vision board to help them stay focused. Look up pictures of the things you'll buy, the places you'll go, and how your life will look after the win. The more real you make it in your mind, the stronger the energy you're sending to the universe. Affirmations are a powerful way to reprogram your mind to align with abundance. Your thoughts have energy, and when you repeat affirmations, you're training your mind to believe that you're capable of winning the lottery. Start by choosing a few positive affirmations that feel right for you. Some examples are, I easily attract lottery winnings. I am a magnet for money. Winning the lottery is easy for me. Abundance flows to me effortlessly. The key is to make your affirmations specific to your lottery goals, and they should make you feel excited and empowered. The more you repeat them, the more they sink into your subconscious, shifting your beliefs to align with wealth and success. You can say these affirmations throughout the day, while brushing your teeth, driving to work, or even looking in the mirror. I find that saying them with feeling makes a big difference. You can also write them down on sticky notes and place them around your home, on your bathroom mirror, your desk, or in your car, to keep that positive energy flowing. Gratitude is one of the most powerful energies you can tap into. When you practice gratitude, you're telling the universe that you appreciate the abundance that's already present in your life, and this attracts more abundance to you. Even if you haven't won the lottery yet, start by being grateful for any small amounts of money that come your way. Did you find $1 on the ground? Did you get an unexpected discount at the store? Thank the universe for it. No matter how small, express sincere gratitude for every bit of good fortune that comes your way. You can also keep a gratitude journal each day. Write down a few things you're thankful for, especially anything related to money. This helps to build a mindset of abundance. The more you focus on what you have, the more the universe will respond by sending more your way. This step is where a lot of people get tripped up. After you've done all the visualizing, affirming, and gratitude work, you need to trust that the universe will deliver your win at the perfect time. Here's the tricky part. You have to let go of obsessing over when or how it will happen. This doesn't mean giving up on your manifestation. It means trusting that it's already on its way and allowing the universe to work its magic without you needing to control every detail. Remind yourself that the universe has your back. The money is coming. It's just a matter of timing. When you find yourself getting anxious or impatient, take a deep breath, go for a walk, or meditate. Center yourself and trust the process. Think of it like ordering a package online. Once you've placed the order, you don't sit there constantly refreshing the tracking page. You trust that it's on its way. Your lottery win is the same. Trust that it's coming in divine timing. Finally, this step is key. Play the lottery with a lighthearted, fun energy. The law of attraction works best when you're in a state of joy and possibility, not desperation or fear. When you buy your lottery ticket, do it with the attitude of, this is fun, and I'm excited about the possibilities. Rather than stressing about whether or not you'll win. Approach it like a game, not a life or death situation. Choose your numbers based on intuition. Maybe you've noticed repeating numbers around you, or maybe certain numbers feel lucky. Trust your gut and have fun with the process. When you're enjoying the experience and staying open to possibilities, you're aligning yourself with the positive energy of abundance. So there you have it. The 6 steps to manifesting lottery wins using the law of attraction. It might sound unconventional, but as you can see from the success stories like Marie's, it really does work when you commit to the process and trust the universe. To recap, 1. Get clear on the exact amount you want to win. 2. Visualize yourself winning often and in detail. 3. Use positive affirmations to reprogram your mindset. 4. Practice gratitude for any money that comes your way. 5. Trust the universe to deliver your win in perfect timing. 6. Play with a light, joyful energy and have fun. If you try these steps, I'd love to hear about your experience. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you've manifested any wins already. And remember, manifesting is a journey. The more you align yourself with abundance, the more abundance will flow to you. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on manifesting your dreams. We're building a community of manifesting success stories, and I'm so excited for you to be a part of it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sending you all love, light, and lottery success. Keep manifesting, stay positive, and trust the process. I'll see you in the next video.